Are you still facing weld failures, inconsistent penetration, and costly rework in tube and pipe fabrication? In the United States, industries like semiconductor, pharmaceutical, food processing, and high-purity piping demand flawless weld quality that manual TG welding simply cannot guarantee. The TATE orbital welding machine delivers fully automated, repeatable TG welds with precision control, eliminating human error and ensuring contamination-free joints. Ideal for stainless steel tubing, sanitary pipelines, and high-spec industrial applications, TATE helps American fabricators increase productivity, reduce labor cost, and meet strict industry standards such as ASME and AWS. If you want to upgrade from manual welding to reliable automated orbital welding technology, contact us through the methods shown in this video and discover how TATE transforms your welding efficiency.